What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a little heat shield upgrade on the FJ here. So the heat shield that's originally on the FJ, so in the back over here where the cap back is like a fiber heat shield. So I got the MBRP high tuck exhaust, and I don't know if it's because of the exhaust or not, but I was driving on the highway and the heat shield burned. So it doesn't like catch on fire, it just burns, so it turns like red, but it doesn't catch on fire. So there's smoke coming out. Got into the truck and I noticed that it was kind of dangling onto the exhaust and it was burning, and so I had to spray some water on it. And then what I did was I removed the fiber heat shield, and what I did was I went online and I was reading some forums and I wanted to order a new heat shield. I found out that they don't even make that heat shield anymore, and even when you give them the part number, this is the heat shield you get. So yeah, it's not fiber. This is a lot better than what the other one was. So that's the part number for anybody who wants to do this too. So if you have a high-tech exhaust and you're having problems where your heat shield burns, or you're having just problems with your normal exhaust right now where the heat shield burns, it's not the exhaust's fault. I think it's stupid to have the fiber one there in the first place. This should have been there when you bought the truck. I think after 2010 or 11, I could be wrong, the FJs had this heat shield and not the fiber one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on. I already took the other one off. I couldn't make a video. Like I said, that thing burned, so I had to take it off. But I kept the little nuts. So I'm going to use the same nuts because I didn't get any nuts with the new one. And under the FJ right now, I'm going to show you where the fiber heat shield is. So the fiber heat shield is supposed to be up over there. And then it goes from under there, and I think it stays about in this sort of area. So since I removed it, no problems with the truck. It's been fine. But I think I should have it. I'm going to show you how I got it in. This is the exhaust tip, and following the exhaust tip, so the longer side, which has the letter Y and the arrow, would be over here. Once you put that there, everything else kind of lines up itself and it's pretty straightforward, and then you can put all the nuts back on. But yeah, I think it should be pretty good. Thanks for watching. That it's in, because now I won't have to worry about it all the time, because like it was always in the back of my mind when I was driving. But no, should be good now.